Okay, continuing on with our mixing of colours, we are now going to take our rose madder, which is our central colour at the moment, and we're going to mix that with the next colour. So in order to do that, the first thing we will need to do is paint our cobalt blue, which is here. We're actually going to paint that in here. Next to our rose madder, in the same pattern that we have been doing. Take a dab of your cobalt blue, mix it with your rose madder. Okay, and as you can see, what we're creating here is an array of beautiful colours. So, before we forget, we will actually name this one cobalt blue, and then this new colour, just name it mix. Moving on, again starting with our central colour, which is rose madder in this case, and mixing it with our next colour, which is indeed ultramarine. So let's paint our ultramarine into this box. And then mix it with our rose madder. Now we've created another hue, slightly different colour, very useful for when we come to painting our pictures. And before we forget, we'll write the name in here, ultramarine, and mix. Okay, I'm sure that you're getting the idea of how to do this by now. So again, our central colour, in this case rose madder, with the next colour, and the next colour in our box is actually yellow ochre. Mixing the yellow ochre with the rose madder, we will create this colour here. Yes, let's name it here. The next colour here is this beautiful colour. Put it here. Mix it with our rose madder. And this mix goes here. Now, I need to actually fill in the initial colour here, so I'm just going to catch up there. And then write in the names. our next colour is a sap green. And I'll mix sap green with the initial colour Rose Madder. Okay, again, more, name the colours. And lastly, in this box, we have this pale yellow. With a dab of our Rose Madder. Once again, let's name them. So as you can see, we've now completed one whole section of our chart with the starring colour Rose Madder. So the next thing we'll be doing is our next star colour, as it were, is Vermilion. And this will be now our main basic colour. And this is now going to be mixed with every other colour in our box. So the next colour in our box was Raw Umber. Not forgetting to name our colours. So we're using one dab of our Vermilion, with one dab of the Raw Umber. Let's name that. We'll name that again, mix, and carry on. One Vermilion in our basic colour, and this now being our central colour, it's going to be mixed with the next colour in our box, which is Viridian. we'll have 1 dab of the vermilion with 1 dab of the viridian, and here we'll paint that in our next box. Okay, we're going to be carrying on with this, using vermilion as our central colour. Until we have gone through the complete range of our paint box. So our cobalt blue is the next colour. And then obviously the mix of the two, the vermilion with the cobalt blue, create us a new colour. So what we're going to be doing is carrying on in this particular style. Now we've moved on with vermilion as our central colour, we're mixing it with every other colour in the box. Once we've done that, our first page of our colour chart will look like this.